I will now make for you
Show me.
hand techniques.
Okay.
Later you will try.
Okay.
Maybe in the future, maybe as a hobby.
Yeah. I mean, I've done pottery classes twice before.
Oh, nice.
In the UK.
Very good.
And I loved it. But it's something that takes time to get used to, and
Definitely.
the techniques you have to work on.
Yeah.
But I really loved the process.
You can take your tea.
Yeah.
Look.
Great. Thank you.
Look. You can, look, this is coffee.
Yep.
Milk, sugar.
Perfect.
And this is biscuits for you.
Thank you. How long have you
Since childhood. Yes. When you sit here, first technique is centering. First, we have this one electrical wheel.
Okay, yeah.
This one is different a little bit. First, when you sit, control speed by pedal. There is a pedal here,
Okay.
and later cleaning the tray. This one has to be not very wet, not very dry. Has to be just moisture. And making like a conic. While making ceramics, coffee cups, everything, first technique is centering. To center it, we use palms. From top to down, up and down, a few times to center it. This is center right now.
Yeah. Like a fairy chimney.
Yes. After centering, using these two thumbs to make flat top part. Number 2 technique, flat. And later number 3, this one, to make a hole. Only center and going down. Number 4, bigger hole. Now I came till here. And number 5. We use many times number 5. Keep it center. And number 6, using this one and this together, and to make, just fixing top part. And last one, number 7. Look, here, from bottom, slowly going up and making thinner and taller.
How are you?
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Arkadaşlar kahve yaptım ben.
Ne zaman
Niye koydum?
Lazım değil.
Ay.
Tamamız.
Ben kızından yaptım getirdim hemen.
Aferin de oldu.
Yaparım ben. Ah.
Nereliymiş lan?
Which city are you from?
I'm from London.
Londra.
London.
İngiliz.
Yeah, United Kingdom. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, not that far away, but still.
So, what is your job?
Photographer.
You told me before, yeah.
Yeah.
My memory is bad.
So I
Fotoğrafçıymış.
so I take photos of landscape, travel, hotels, cultural
Her
experiences.
resimlerini çekmiş.
So yeah.
Bizim buralara çıkmış mı?
Orada hep çekmiş. Before giving last shape, we use, this one to clean bottom part.
Benim fotoğrafını çekeyim mi? Seni mi çekiyorsun?
Ben kendimi çekiyorum. I have a YouTube channel.
Do you?
Yes.
Oh, nice. I'll have
Just
to
a
check
few
it out.
months ago, a few weeks ago I started.
Süt ister miydik lan?
Ne?
Süt ister miydik sana?
Ne? If you want, there's a milk dust.
No, it's alright. Black is fine. Thank you. I'll have a bit of sugar. How's the YouTube channel going?
Yeah,
Good.
I wanna make my second job, maybe main job.
Yeah.
Yeah, why not?
Yeah.
So I would like to travel all around the world.
Of course. What about thank you. What about on TikTok as well?
Yeah, I have it.
I mean, I feel this is very. It's what you do would thrive on TikTok.
After we will make live, till here everything same. Last we will give the shape, maybe coffee cup, maybe vase, everything. Last I will make maybe simple vase. Bir şey sürtüyor herhalde.
What is your name?
James,
James.
what's your name?
My name is Hatice.
Teacher.
Before, sometimes some people, they have limited time. Maybe some people, for example, you order maybe 200, 300 piece, but we make maybe simple design on vases, maybe use your hall, your living room, every corner, Then we make simple design,
Bundan
can
da
try.
al. Bunu varsa ben yaptım.
homemade,
You
homemade.
make them here?
Yes.
Tamam.
I love it.
Then you can turn it, a jug. You attach handle.
Afiyet
Very good.
Kafe drink.
Yeah. Tasty. Thank you.
Enjoy. Enjoy your enjoy.
Enjoy my food.
Enjoy küçük. Boya da yapacak mı?
Ha?
Boya da yapacak mı?
Yok boya değil, sadece deneme.
Ha, iyi.
Valla öyle oldu mu daha iyi olur benim için. Şimdi boyama bize vakit kaybettiriyor. Sen nasılsın, iyisin?
İyi, birazdan gideceğim şeye.
Hayırdır?
Yeah, that's good.
Pazara. Bundan uğraşın. Çok tatlı bir şeymiş bu da oğlum. Maşallah.
You can, whenever you want.